trying to help you, honey. Let her build it with you. It's fun to build together. Yeah, there you go.
Cut.
Put it back. Let her do it, sweetheart. That's how you, Jasmine, remember we have to show your sister how to share, so you have to share. So you can set an example for her. See? Good job. She did it.
Okay, let me help you.
That's very nice.
It goes on you.
Well, let her do it, honey. Show her how to put it on.
Yeah, you can do this block. Then you do this block. You can do that block.
Wow, Sissy.
Now
So good. Whoa. Look at Sissy building her own building. That's a great building, honey.
I'm danger. Rosie, stick it on the castle. Stick it on my castle. Ooh, this one.
Go ahead, Rosie. Put it on the castle.
This one's. This
Whoa, that's tall.
one.
Rosie, put it on the castle. Don't get frustrated, honey. That's okay.
And one more thing.
Oh, that's a tall one. Uh-oh. Oh, my goodness. Look at Sissy. Look what your sister built.
Rosie, look at I build. Rosie, look at I build. Look at I build. Look at I build.
Whoa.